Hello, this is Matt Gaskell. We're here at Miami Beach Marina to see the beautiful Azimut S6. We're going to do a walkthrough of this boat and show you some of the features and design that Azimut's put together for this beautiful yacht.
On deck, we have the hydraulic portion of the swim platform and the garage for the tender, which is located beneath the sun pad. Controls for the swim platform, for the garage, and for the boarding platform are all on the entry to starboard. And coming forward, we have the cockpit with beautiful carbon fiber table to the center. You can feel the weight, the strength of the material. And to the port side in the cockpit, we have all of our switches for the batteries and a docking station, which is all important for the ease of operation, which is next to Kenyan grill, sink, and ice maker combination. Coming forward, we have the sliding glass doors, which open to the starboard side. With the salon doors open, create one space from the cockpit all the way forward to the helm. And it's the center of the salon. We have the high-low table that will fold out and seat up to 8 people, which is just opposite our entertainment area to the port side, which also features all the switches for electrical control. Moving forward, we have the galley, cooktop, refrigeration, top and bottom, and storage, and a full-size oven next to the sink and power strip. On the starboard side, we have the dual helm seats, footrests, leg supports, a wheel to port, and the docking station to starboard, and our dual navigation screens, which can be used to control all the systems on the boat, synchronize the air conditioning, as well as show you your chart plotter. Coming forward, we have the VIP stateroom, which has opening ports to both sides for cross ventilation, and all the beautiful design features and practical storage features, as well as entertainment. Starboard side of the boat, we have the guest stateroom, twin bunks, entertainment, and storage. Coming aft, we have the master stateroom, which is full beam. Again, opening ports, cross ventilation, and we have a seating area to port side, vanity, and storage throughout. And again, full featured entertainment system. So the bulkhead forward. Master stateroom head features a full-size shower, and vanity. Thanks for taking the time to come aboard the boat and take a tour of the S6. If you'd like to come down and see this or any other inventory that we have available, please do give us a call, 305-921-0002.